brake pads ordered when I get home.
Parked a bit far away, didn't I?
Did you see them sheep?
Yeah.
Oh, one walked straight out in front of me.
Did it?
Yeah. I had to do an emergency stop for a sheep.
No way.
Ah, kidding. There's a guy behind me, right close to me. And I thought, shit, I've got to watch the sheep, got to watch him behind me.
Oh no.
Ramfield's pulled over and like stopped a bit and sort of, you alright? I'm like, yeah.
Bloody hell. I saw them sheep like...
I saw it coming.
Yeah, I think I parked in the wrong spot here.
Bloody hell, back wheel then. Indicator off. Right, okay everybody, we've just been to Ladybower pub. We've been riding, we came out around about 6 o'clock and it's quite late now, so we're going home. Obviously Rebecca's out in full force tonight on her bike. I've got to keep up with her. But I've done some vlogging about, I'd say, a 45 minutes worth of chit chat, and I didn't even realise my microphone wasn't plugged into the camera. So everything I've said has gone in the trash, so I'm going to try and redo this vlog. Right, so I've owned this bike for 12 months now. I've owned it for a year, just over a year, and this is the greatest bike I have ever owned. Whilst on the factory RSV 1000, I love that also, but it just doesn't compare to this one for me. This one fits me better. It's like wearing designer clothing or tailored clothing, okay? The factory RSV, it turns better, it turns quicker and holds the road. The suspension feels better than this. Guy indicating. So I've owned it for 12 months and it's very bloody windy, by the way, it always is down here. 12 months, and I've ridden many other bikes. We've sold quite a few, and I go back to this and I just cannot let it go. I cannot let this bike go. It sounds amazing. It's still got its standard silencer on it, but it's got this induction noise that I just love. See if you can hear it. You might not hear what I can hear, but the induction noise is incredible on this. It's great in traffic. I've got short levers on the clutch and they do work. It's great in traffic. It doesn't get as hot as many modern V-twins or V4s. I'd best start braking. Now she's jumped on Aprilia and she rides that better than she's rode any other bike. She's good on the Cowie, but she just rides that a lot better. I think it's because it's got that grunt to it, the bit of torque, the power. The Cowie doesn't, you've got to keep it revving. But she looks so happy on that. I love, in the dark, right, I love these two red screens here. I like that. It's like a devil machine. Does it look cool? It really does. I like going into high gears and just laying that throttle back and listen to it induct the air. I don't even get fatigued on this. not tired, no aches and pains. It's in the right position, the right comfortable position, everything's where it needs to be. I do not get fatigued on it. How many miles have I done on this now anyway? 9,000. Oh, I'm nearly at 10,000 miles. I think it had 7. What did it have when I bought this? Can't remember whether it was 8 or 7,000. Bloody hell. I feel a bit awkward now actually putting miles on it. I used to love telling people it's only done 8,000 miles. I think the only chance I would sell this is if I find one that's done 5,000 maybe, and I'd buy that. I don't know, I've got something about really low mileage bikes. See, this is where most bikes test you. Riding through urban zones at low speeds, 25 miles per hour, 26 miles per hour. And it doesn't bother me. Set the throttle, let it go. Cruise around, look. I bet she's roasting on that. I like to sit like this with my arm across here and just lean it. And just set the throttle, going ever so slightly. I can just relax all day on the bike. It's like riding it with one hand. Probably not safe, but just lean on it and let it go. So cool. So we're going through Sheffield town. She doesn't want to go on the scenic route, so we're going to cruise through the town tonight. Oh, we're going. I couldn't hear what she said then. You know, we've never done any town riding on our bikes, have we? I don't know where we are. We're not in the height of Sheffield yet, but yeah, we've never done any town riding. Aprilia's at night in the town. What is there? Oh, go on. Obstructing traffic. Oh, I can smell all that food cooking, Balticking. Oh well. I've got full tanks anyway. I feel that she's going to regret going through town now, because that is going to get hot, that bike. My mind's alright. 92 degrees, but you can't feel any disturbing heat through your bum or anything like that. It's just lovely. I took her bike out in the, I think it was in the afternoon, around about lunchtime, when the temperature was at its peak, and my god, it was so hot. You could have fried an egg on my arse. It was that hot under there. Yeah, it's such a nice bike to ride around the city in this actually. I've not been anywhere like this in the towns. I can't kind of just avoid them, but yeah, it handles it. I'm so used to having bikes that rattle and shake around lumpy or get over hot. You know what I mean? But this is just so cool, this Mille. It's so bloody cool. It's not getting any hotter. I mean, look at it, we're now at 88 degrees, it's dropped. Temperature's dropped on it. Yes, the fans are on, but they work, they keep it cool. Those lights are really trying to get me. Just caught that one. It's like a native environment for us, this riding around a city. absolutely roasting on that. She needs to get some speed on it so she can cool it down. Ugh. Just when you stop, get neutral, they go green again. Here we are, green. Mine's 86 degrees, mine.
91.
She's always faffing. I'm quite enjoying this cruising around town. I've not done it for a long time. I might do this quite often. I've got something in my eye. Oh, Burger King. I love it when it's summertime and you go through cities at night and you can smell that food cooking and you see all these different lights. It reminds me of being on holiday or something, it does. I can smell pizza dough now, pizza base. Oh, pizza hut's there though. I can smell pizza base. What we got over there? Rashid's, Domino's. I'm advertising. Wing. What's that? Wing War. The Indian Kitchen. Lidl. The Red Lion. Nice pub. Hey, you know what? I don't really ride bikes on a night. I've not done that very often, and I've never had this bike out in the dark, so it's not really that dark, but I've not seen the headlight performance on this before. It's the first time. First time for everything, but oh, we could have got some chocolate from there. These red lights ain't friendly, are they? Oh, they are. Look at that. Oh, McDonald's. I would murder McDonald's right now. I really want to go out to eat. I mean, it's late now. It's past 10 o'clock, I think. And I see all these food places and making me hungry. New brake pads ordered when I get home.